Hi, my darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, Emira. And I also like to thank you so much for the love you show me in my previous video. Thank you, and you have to subscribe yet. Kindly do so and share. Well, are you out of option on what to prepare this weekend and enjoy with a very low budget? Well, I'm here to save your day with Angwamoo, Tolo beef Angwamoo, also known as braised rice. So we'll start by boiling our beef, and this will help to control the salt level in the beef and also make it softer. Let's go ahead and fry all of this together. So guys, this is quite cheaper. Trust me, you don't need a lot of money to prepare this food. It's simple, precise, and very delicious. Yes, it's very delicious. I usually enjoy this on a very hot afternoon. Yes. Usually on Saturdays, I don't know why, but Saturday is usually the best time I enjoy Angwamoo, proper one with pepper. Yes. Anyway, so we flip this and then we checked that it was fried, and so we are taking off the oil and then continue with the rice. So we start by adding some onions, sliced onions into the oil. Fry it for about 1 minute. You don't have to allow it to burn. Okay, so this texture is okay. And then we'll add our oil. We wash the oil. You can choose not to wash. We wash the rice. You can also choose not to wash yours. It depends on each and every one of us. And so we'll give this a very good stir. And then what we'll be doing is that we will fry it. So we'll cover it up and then fry it for another 5 minutes. When you fry it, you'll see how it turns out. It looks so like, I don't know, but it's able to soak all of the oil away, and then you see it looks quite dry. So that's the level we'll get to. And then what we'll be doing now is a little twist that we are adding to it. We are going to be adding pakoshito. Yes, pakoshito. Do you know why? It's to allow some flavor in there. So if you realize you're not using any spices, nothing, just the natural way, and you will have this very delicious. We will add our tofu beef, or also known as the beef. We'll add it to it, and then we'll give this one last stir, and then add some water, add some salt, and then cover this up. But you want to be careful with the quantity of salt that you be adding because of the beef. It's the salted beef, and so you can add little by little, and then you stir it up and then taste it to see if it's okay for the rice. I also decided to go with a little oil. This is optional, and so you may choose to add it or not. So we'll give this a good thorough stir, and then we'll taste it to check the salt level in it. We'll cover it up, and then we are back, and you can see we have drained some amount of water from it. So under normal circumstance, I wouldn't stir this, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to stir it to demonstrate to you how it looks like. So you can see we've not been able to dry out all the water from it, and so this is how it looks like. However, it will still come out the same way we want it, and so we'll give this a good stir again, and then we'll use our parchment paper to cover it up in order to help us achieve that dry, long grain Angwamoo, yes, that we are looking for.
Me, the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. So while we allow the rice to do its own thing on fire, we'll pave way for the sauce we'll be using for the Angwamoo. And with that, we are using the pakoshito. You can either choose to do the red one or the green one. You can also choose to blend it, but trust me, this one goes so well. It always does the magic. And so I just added my pepper and some onions, and as you can see, I just used the manpower to just grind all this and get this texture.
Also, if you are doing it, you can also decide to do it very smooth or rough, anyhow you want it. But make sure you add some salt to it to taste, and that should be quite enough. Okay, not too much, but quite enough. Anyway, so the rice is, I think it's ready, and as you can see, it's quite better. You can also leave it on fire for a longer period so that you can get the bent, the kanzo, like you call it. Yeah, you can get it. But what I'm doing here, it's the text, the what you're seeing is exactly what I am looking for. But I'm still going to leave it on fire for just a few minutes before I dish out. But whilst I do that, I'll go ahead and fry my egg, because I'm going to use egg to eat this. So as you can see, I'm beating 2 eggs, and I'm going to fry this and then open up some sardine. Yes, and then guys, watch me do the thing.
Now I found a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this. Life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this.
Food is ready. So you see, it's as simple as ABCD, and I bet you just 30 minutes we'll do this for you, and you're going to enjoy. Have a good afternoon. I mean, a hot Saturday or Sunday afternoon with some oh my god, see, even the oil alone, it's another whole vibe. Guys, you don't want to miss this. Just invest a little money and see the magic. You enjoy this. I tried this and I couldn't do away with juice, but I'm not asking to do that. So I added some juice just because I just wanted to go down, down so well. And oh my god, when I tried it, throughout this cooking, I didn't actually taste anything, not even the salt, and that's what I do usually. When I'm cooking, when I add salt, I don't really taste, because I kind of get the idea where it's the salt level. So when I finished preparing this, I didn't try it until I served myself, and when I put it in my mouth, oh my god, with the pepper. Guys, try this at home and let me know. It was so good, it was delicious, it was nice. What other words are there to say? It was just perfect for the day, and I couldn't resist it, so I finished everything on the plate. Yes, everything was finished. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it, and I hope you're going to try this. Well, I enjoyed preparing it, and I hope you will try it at home and give us some feedback like the other videos. Thank you so much, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you haven't liked yet, if you haven't shared it to your friends, kindly do us the favor and do so. But until we meet again, it's always love from my side. Thank you guys, and have a great afternoon. Bye.
If you're patient and so